Tired of endless searching for the perfect online course platform? Get ready to settle the score as we pit Learndash against Lifterlms, a feature-packed showdown. First up, course building. Learndash excels with its focus on structured learning paths, offering advanced quizzing and assignment features. On the other hand, Lifterlms shines with its membership capabilities, integrating payment plans directly into your courses. Now, let's talk marketing. Learndash leans on integrations with popular marketing tools. Lifterlms offers built-in marketing features like email marketing, coupons, and upsells, simplifying your marketing workflow within the platform. The big question: cost. Learndash has a simpler pricing structure focused on site licenses. Lifterlms offers both individual add-ins and bundles, allowing you to customize the platform to fit your budget, but this can sometimes be more complex. So, which platform wins? It all boils down to your specific needs. Choose Learndash for its course-centric, structured approach and comprehensive integrations, or pick Lifterlms for its strong membership features and integrated marketing tools. Ultimately, both Learndash and Lifterlms empower you to create amazing online learning experiences. Now, go create your incredible online courses.